Why isn't this working? I mean, is it me or is it the latch?
Oh, it's definitely you, Dan.
Who are you?
Hi, I'm Mr. Wright, and I have all the answers you need. After all, Dan, this is something a lot of guys like you experience during installation. It's called spindle dysfunction. Nothing to be too embarrassed about.
So how do I fix my spindle dysfunction?
Actually, fixing your SD is simple. All you need is 2 pliers and a little patience.
Thanks.
First, determine if the spindle is a correct length to connect the handle with the inside latch mechanism by aligning the arrow on the spindle with the outside door face. Then, identify the spindle's first exposed break-off mark on the inside door face and use the pliers to break it off at that mark.
Wow. Thanks for all your help. I really feel like my confidence is back. Like I can do no wrong.
That's wonderful, Dan. Your zipper's down, by the way. Right products for the right job. For detailed step-by-step instructions, click the link below.